The blockchains have overflowed the money display, and the monetary biological system is packed with isolated individual small-scale tokens that have made the digital currency ecospace very divided. Thus, the whole usefulness of FTX token depends on making itself really novel, beating the skeptic crypto scene. With an extraordinary spotlight on giving force to cryptographic forms of money, FTX has arisen as an original trade in the digital currency section. FTX token offers brokers a novel platform that moves their unwaveringness and offers power-pressed highlights that are unbelievable in customary digital forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Money, and others. Before we start with FTX token cost expectation, we should really take a look at FTX token outline. FTX token, the group supported by a group of committed experts who are involved with their devotion to specialized skill on blockchain calculations. FTX token specialists work nonstop. The organogram begins with Chief and Pioneer Sam Bankman-Fried, trailed by CTO Gary Wang, President Brett Harrison, and Kusina Nader. FTX token. The praiseworthy qualities FTX token gives a multi-pronged benefit to every one of its financial backers to trade FTX, thinking of it as a beneficial speculation. Dealers are certain of getting an incentive for their cash exchanging FTX, more well known as CoinFTT. FTX token offers versatility and speed as well as viewed as solid and reliable. Counting an exceptionally constructed FTX token and cold wallet arrangement, full outside sponsorship of all FTX wallet assets, and associations with industry driving overseers, FTX token has a standard of industry supporters. Combination of stablecoins has given FTX token an edge to give extra liquidity, empowering a quicker and more secure exchanging experience. Different functionalities too, like withdrawal, store, and easy-to-use exchanges are only a portion of the many highlights FTX token comes furnished with. FTX token, the corporate social obligation. The non-benefit arm of FTX token backings guideline and consistent as the standards to be executed in the whole biological system of FTX token. Being a key role player, FTX establishment has teamed up with associations across the world to tackle the capability of moderate innovation. The administration structure is comprehensive and catch-safe. The main individuals from long-range and formal communication for good cause incorporate the human association, the open simulated intelligence that give well groundwork, and philanthropy. FTX token is the trailblazer in high regard, primarily on the grounds that more than being simply a stage for launching a local token FTT, it turns out to be more versatile than other digital currencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum in the cryptographic money market. In any case, as far as return of speculation of last year, Ethereum beat FTX, and you can check Ethereum cost expectation here. FTX token, verifiable information and specialized investigation. FTX token has made it a leader in cutting-edge arrangements. This vanguard innovation has become effective in breaking liberated from the regular approaches of exchange on the lookout. FTX token's local cash FTT that is exchanged on different trades by a huge number of clients overall is yet to situate itself in the centralized server of speculation commendable monetary standards. The latency that at first played for the FTX token is no more there, as the token has acquired client trust, bringing benefit for financial backers as well as merchants. Throughout recent months, the cost of FTX token has shown a critical cost increment. During the last month, the FTX token has enlisted an untouched high at $63.08. Notwithstanding, from that point onward, the FTX cost confronted a sharp dive, and as of now, it exchanges around $34. A regularly and distinctly noticed quality of FTX token cost in the cryptographic money market is that it has shown the most whimsical and fluctuating way of behaving. Showing ideal bullish patterns, it shocks with descending bear, nailing down development. As an innocent participant, this crypto resource is yet to build up some decent forward movement of financial backers as the market shows vulnerability towards its innate potential. FTX token value expectation, market opinion. As of now, the cost of FTX token stands at $40.69 with a market cap of $5,627,206,535.41 and a 24-hour exchanging volume of $126,810,407.40. The flowing stockpile of FTX tokens in the market is 137,695,377 FTT. Despite the fact that it is a late contestant on the lookout, it has a crypto resource classification. The cost conjecture specialists are very hopeful. In view of our gauge framework, a drawn-out increment is normal. The FTX token cost guess for 2026 is $213.22. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 423.75%, independent of its reception according to specialized investigation. The FTX token cost confronted heat till Jan 2022. Going by cost forecasts that bulls might be back. FTX token cost ought to wind up somewhat higher, say by 2024, $71.80, best case scenario. FTX token appears to be exceptionally bullish as it has shown a solid consistency. By December 2022 end, the cost ought to effectively swing around $48.84 to $50.69, which will be very nearly a 26% increase from the ongoing cost. In view of our cost gauge, the FTX token has a promising future with a vigorous market cap. It might get hardly affected, yet bulls will be back, and throughout the following 5 years, the cost of FTT tokens might skyrocket to $811.01. FTX token value forecast 2022. Keeping up pair with a similar bullish pattern. There are predictions that FTX token is ready for a rise even in the following year, for example 2022, with enough volume and supply. Keeping in context the series of successive pinnacles and bucks, the cost for FTT just keeps on demonstrating a positive pattern among the retreating pandemic situation, contacting the $57.32 mark. FTX token value expectation 2023. Regardless of whether finding rivals clears a way for FTX token speculations a piece troublesome, it would cause a misfortune yet just small, dropping to $62.21 on the cost diagram. Be that as it may, this stays as a critical situation, and a few specialists don't anticipate this disorder for speculation guidance. FTX token value forecast 2024. Yet again expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal that FTX token will govern the crypto outline with a presentation of cost fixed at $78.46. This is a practically identical development proportion that was anticipated toward the year's end 2021, which shows FTT can possibly support itself in the market of computerized resources. FTX token value forecast 2025. As indicated by our drawn-out expectations, 2025 could check as the benchmark year, as FTX token cost is anticipated to outperform $91.99 definitely. With mass reception, FTX token cost is assessed to stretch around $91.99 max by 2025 on the graph, an ascent in cost and interest for the digital currency more than ever in the crypto market, turning it a wise speculation. FTX token value forecasts 2026. FTX token kept its energy on the up and up. Afterward, it has supported the market opinion peculiarity radically from the outset of this current year. Merchants and financial backers have begun wagering on long haul for FTX token cost development, following it intently, reassuring, expressing that it could leap to about $78.74 toward the finish of 2026. Does FTX token have a future? FTX token is developing. Not huge amounts at a time, but rather scaling slowly on the diagram. Given the released force of conveyed web innovation, FTX token certainly has a promising future and worth, and will keep costs in the years ahead according to our examination and FTT conjecture. Where to trade FTX token? There's an outline of the trades accessible to you and a purchasing manual for help you along. You can look at the costs on trade and pursue a choice in view of your reasonable